Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can comment on a sort of post on Pinterest. So for instance, I want to comment on this post, so I'm just going to click on it and just press add a comment here. For instance, something like you can even add emojis over here. I want to add this one, and then you're just going to press done. That's it. You can reply to other people's comments. You can press helpful if their comment was helpful. You can even edit comment or delete it, and you can even like the comment too. But that is basically how you can sort of comment and interact on a Pinterest post. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!